cannot get distal true lumen, so change the retrograde. Anterior origin protease success rate is not so high, but both approaches success rate is increasing. It is okay. It is chips of CTO management. Both strategy is success rate is slightly high. So we have to manage antegrade and retrograde both system build, and both system is very important point for CTO management.
So far, we have done 200% blocks at the same time in one patient at the same time. Otherwise, what we more than two in that we stage it. This week we will do, then 2 weeks, 3 weeks later we'll do the next.
Sir, today is the international conference and workshop for the new novel. How
Yes.
many patients have undergone the new procedure? How many patients?
No, these procedures have been going on for a long time. The techniques are new,
Okay.
right?
I do understand.
And in Japan, these techniques have been evolving over many years.
How many
Okay.
cases are done
It
in the
is
world?
bringing to us
Japan, how
now.
many?
Mm.
And how many you are doing in your center?
Okay.
We
Understand.
would have done about 10 to 15 cases so far.
For this workshop, how many have done?
We are doing about 3 cases. The one today alone.
But the practice, this techniques in practice in Japan from which year? Which year?
Yeah.
From which year are they practicing?
No, no,
this in
he will tell
Japan?
the experience.
Yeah.
You know.
Mm.
Yeah, please tell.
Okay, well, normally is antegrade procedure is very standard, but success rate and procedure time and contrast volume, retrograde procedure is clearly shortening and clearly long. So CTO management is we aggressively use retrograde approach.
What is this?
No, he is saying that the retrograde approach they are following more because success rate is high. That's what.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that is not our way is doing anti-grade, and anti-grade if it is not successful, some of us will abandon it.
Okay.
Otherwise, we may try retrograde with difficulty. Now retrograde also is gradually becoming easier with the techniques. Now they are so proficient in that. How many cases are you doing per week?
A
This
week.
time? Yes.
Week. No.
We'll
no,
get some idea.
Last year's my CTO procedure is 70.
70.
70.
Okay.
70.
No. 70.
70. CTO management only.
That
70.
alone. This technique in his own. His hospital may be more. In your hospital.
In my hospital it's 30, and another country and another hospital is 30. 50%. So retrograde rate
From which year it is in being?
From Japan, which year did it
started.
from Japan and another country.
No. The retrograde, when did you start in Japan?
When it was in
Oh, the 10 years ago.
10 years.
10 years ago.
No, apart from Japan, we know that Japan is on top.
Yes,
we
yes.
all appreciate that. Which are other countries who are doing it very well?
But recently, and Europe and America and another countries, retrograde approach year by year aggressive use. So already some paper reported retrograde approach is more high rate success and more procedure shortening time and more small amount of contrast. So 3 point is more good is retrograde approach. Until the procedure is so long time and long time procedure and success rate is low and contrast volume is slightly high. So you're more invasive until the only procedure. But retrograde is reasonable because both approaches success rate is high, so no need of contrast. So year by year in the world, CTO management is retrograde approach is increasing.
What is the percentage? Anterograde and retrograde?
My procedure.
Yes.
My procedure is the retrograde is 40%, antegrade is 60%. Because my CTO patient is retry case or more complex case. Easy case is another doctor is okay. But my CTO procedure is very complex and retry case. The first case is another hospital failed. So they introduced me. So very complex situation. So I aggressively use retrograde approach. So
What about-
my percentage is 40%.
What about South Korea? They would like to know. I believe South Korea they are doing lot of
South Korea.
Yes.
South Korea is retrograde. I don't know, but year by year increasing maybe 20 or 30%.
China?
In China is very much very low.
Very low, okay.
2 weeks ago, I went to China, but they don't know retrograde approach detail. In India, it's almost the same,
Yeah.
but increasing because retrograde approach is non-invasive for the patient. So everyone to learn retrograde approach. So I informed in the world last 2 weeks ago China, and in the year maybe Vietnam and Bangladesh and other countries, we informed retrograde approach and CTO management.